Step 2, after choosing your material, that we've okayed, we also have the skateboard deck, which is a little bit thicker than the 1/4 inch bearing, so we had to sand that down. But after choosing your material for your fidget spinner, the next thing you need to do is to create a design of what your fidget spinner is going to be. Remembering, you only have 3 bearings. So we chose this one for our example to make. After you have designed it and made sure that it's going to be perfectly balanced by making it perfectly symmetrical, and you have to remember that the bearings are 7/8 in diameter. Okay? So the bearings are 7/8 in diameter, a 1/4 inch thick. So you got to make sure that you have enough material that you can put 3 of these side by side for this design, have a little material space between on the outside edges, but still at the same time, a small enough fidget spinner that when you spin it, it will not hit your hands. Now remember, I got like medium-sized hands for an adult, and that looks like a lot of space, but we want these to be able to be sold to middle schoolers, possibly elementary kids, and their hands are a lot smaller, so that's going to bring it down towards their hand closer. So make sure when you design yours, you don't make this thing 7 inches long and you're not going to be able to spin it because it's going to hit your hand. All right, does that make sense? So after we have our design and we tested it and it's going to work perfect, all right, you're going to have on a piece of paper, we're going to take some Elmer's glue, make sure it's not clogged, and I'm going to apply a little bit of Elmer's glue here. Now remember, this isn't going to be permanent. This is holding it down while I cut it. So I don't need to use a gallon of Elmer's glue. Then you find a nice surface on your material that you're going to be using. If this has a perfect straight edge on there, hey, why not make one less cut and put that edge of your fidget spinner right along the perfect edge of your material. Then I'm going to press this down with my finger. So hold it in the middle, press it out, hold it down, press it out. If the glue gets over that, that's fine. Okay? And make sure that you press the paper down so the glue comes out to the edges and holds the edges down. Now, we're going to let this set and dry maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll go to step number 3, which is take it to the bandsaw, and we're going to make these cuts and start cutting out the fidget spinner. You know what? I just lied. The next step is to drill the 3 holes while it's still on a piece of wood that is a size that you can hold on to while you're using the drill press and the 7/8 inch hole cutter. No, I didn't lie. Thank you.